more minutes. And we going live. I didn't even realize that the timer went down because I was chatting with the audience, guys. Good to be back. Good to do another live stream with y'all and chat and catch up a little bit. My favorite part about the live streams is just getting to chat with you guys, to be honest with you. Crypto news, it's always out. It's always breaking. But you know what? I love catching up with the audience, guys. And we are just trying to continue to get to know more of you guys. And we're not going to stop. I mean, I love crypto, but I love the crypto community, and I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your very busy Friday. Happy Friday, by the way, and a big yay today because the Fed Chair Jerome Powell just pumped Bitcoin. He pumped Bitcoin to the moon. Well, kind of ish. It pumped a little bit. Right now, oh yeah, it's actually up right now. This is great. Hold up. Let me refresh the price. Is this real? Yeah, we are up. Okay, so we're going to look at the charts here in a second. We're looking good. Apparently we got Crow pump, we got XRP pumping a little bit. It's at 60 cents. That's okay. What do we got? So I'm going to go through some of the top gainers, top losers, catch you guys up on what Fed Chair Jerome Powell actually said today and some of the other big breaking news in this market. Wow, guys, I didn't even have any coffee today. Let me tell you, though, I am hyped always to do a live stream with you beautiful people out there. And so thanks again for, taking the time out of a Friday. We got 31 folks watching to start this thing out. 10 likes, 11 likes now. Do me a favor, guys. If you are one in the 31 people watching, just do me a favor and tap that like button and let's talk about crypto, okay? Let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about crypto. Yeah. Okay. Oh, whoa, wait. Gotta get the camera. I got my camera working again. That's great. That was tough yesterday, but we're back. Okay, so Bitcoin, $62,800, my friends, my fam, and oh, look at this pump. Oh, baby. We pumping. Who's into it? Give me some bullish sentiments in the chat down below. I told you guys I'm sitting here with a bullish bias for good reason, and man, this is probably going to be a tough level, but we are kind of breaking above it right now. I want to see this. Can we see August turn green? Can we see August hit this $69,000, $70,000 price level? Only 7 days left here in this month. Very, very exciting. I know Bonifacio in the chat. Shout out to you. Very excited about Caspa. Me too. Very excited about Caspa, but this is very, very good, guys. This price movement we are seeing now on the BTC, you got to be hyped about it. And Ethereum, Ether, getting a pump as well. Very good. Caspa pumping up a little bit. Coming up a little bit. This is good. Jasmine. Oh, surprise, surprise. No, not quite. If Bitcoin pumps, Jasmine will pump. I've been screaming it. That's how this works, guys. Even the Sheeb, to the Eid, to the EBA to Inu is pumping today as well. Yeah, I'm bringing this silly energy today because I'm feeling good. It is Friday. And if you're into it, just crush a like button for me. Just crush it. But BTC moving up and total market cap moving up. No surprise. Look at this beautiful, beautiful weekly green candle. We've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday's our weekly green candle close. Let's keep it a green candle. I want to see this total market cap break out past 2.39 trillion. Let's see if we can do it, guys. That would be huge. The key is Bitcoin. We need Bitcoin to break above 69K. Really move into the $70,000 range and take out that new all-time high. Take out that new all-time high we hit prematurely earlier this year, and I think we can see that. But welcome to all you guys in the chat. Bonifacio says, altcoins are back, baby. I'm with it. Here we go. Popcat leading the charts. Unbelievable. 22% pump. Sweet. Back above $1. Sweet. Love that. 20% gain today. Big boost there. A lot of coins pumping. SCI also pumping. Course pumping today. Gala Games. Shout out to all y'all with the Gala Games dealio out there. That's getting a pump. It's getting a pamp. Celestia Orti's moving up. BRC20 memes. What else we got? Stacks also moving up. Not one of the top tippy top gainers, but a good gainer today as well. I bought some more stacks this morning because I'm so bullish on Bitcoin DeFi. If you guys have not figured that out already, I am so bullish on Bitcoin DeFi. So let's look at what's going on here with our liquidation heat map, because we always got to look at that. That's the good stuff, and we're going to get into some of this news. We just had some short squeezes this morning, it looks like. Nothing crazy huge. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's go down to the 6-month time frame here. See what we're looking at right there. Okay, couple billion targeted up here. But this, man, there's still a suction cup. Just tons of money sitting up here at this $70,000 price level. That's the target, guys. That's the target. 70K. You're going to want to see it. And we're going to want to see it broken through. Why are we pumping today? Well, I told you guys all week, you got to be ready for this. We're going to get some volatility around the Fed. Chair Jerome, to the Powell, to the yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm riffing now. But he is going to cut some rates. So I told you guys all week that he would be coming out in Colorado, Jackson Hole. I was going to say Denver. In Jackson Hole, Wyoming, not even Colorado. Yaza. Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Get your territories right, Kip. Jackson Hole, Wyoming. And he said the time has come for policy to adjust. Now, do not take my word for it. Do not take my word for it. Don't take my word for it. But instead, let's listen to the man, the myth, the legend himself.
And the timing and pace.
Here we go. I gotta fix the volume levels for you guys. I got the clip ready, but I gotta get the volumes level. Got volumes levels right for you. Okay, so here we go.
The time has come for policy to adjust. The direction of travel is clear, and the timing and pace of rate cuts will depend on incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. We will do everything we can to support a strong labor market as we make further progress toward price stability. With an appropriate dialing back of policy restraint, there is good reason to think that the economy will get back to 2% inflation while maintaining a strong labor market. The current level of our policy rate gives us ample room to respond to any risks we may face, including the risk of unwelcome further weakening in labor market conditions.
He is a dove, and he is going to pump these markets. In fact, he did this morning. This is great news to hear, guys. This is fantastic news to hear. You have been waiting. We've all been waiting for the Fed to pivot. This is the pivot. He has not had a chance to cut the rates yet. Well, when is he going to cut the rates, Kip? When is he going to cut the rates? When are we going to have our altcoins go back to the moon? When is Bitcoin going to pump? Well, September 18th. That is 26 days away. That is a 63% chance that we're going to get a quarter of a point. There's a 36% chance that we could get a half a point. I don't know if he's going to go for the half a point. Man, I would love it if he did. I think we're going to have super bullish markets if we get a half a point. But we are going to eventually see these markets pivot. Bitcoin dominance. Let's see where Bitcoin dominance is at right now. Bitcoin dominance. Maybe it's going to hit that 60%. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. A lot of people think that there's an altcoin crash if Bitcoin dominance comes up. Well, that could happen, but maybe Bitcoin just pumps and altcoins pump a little less. Though, altcoins are pumping today, guys. Altcoins are pumping today. Bitcoin is up, what? 4% today. There are a lot of coins. Not a lot of the top coins, though. BNB's only up 1%. Solana's only up 3.5%. Bitcoin's up more than Solana, XRP, Toncoin, BNB. Up more than Troncoin, which is very trendy lately. Up more than, not up more than Avalanche. Avalanche is up big today. That needed a recovery. But we are seeing markets do well. Are we seeing anything in the red today? Not really. Just Zcash, which I couldn't really care less about. Don't really care about the anonymity coins like Zcash or Monero. Never really been into those, though I know some people are. But anyway, looking for that short squeeze. It can happen, guys. This is the big news for the day. Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaking out, being a legend, talking about the time has come for policy to adjust. I feel like, you know, I wish he would just go out in a Gandalf robe with like a staff and say, "You shall not pass," or "I shall cut rates." I wish he would do. I wish he would do that. And markets would absolutely explode. And yes, shout out to the chat. People are getting ready for new Lord of the Rings series. But I never really got into that TV series. I like the movies. Never really got into Lord of the Rings series, though. But don't forget this, guys. You're skeptical if crypto is going to pump. Well, guys, nearly half all corporate election spending in 24th cycle for this U.S. election comes from crypto companies. Crypto is going to pump. They put the money into the engine, and now the engine is running on crypto. Okay, guys? And we are seeing, yes, this news today. We've been waiting on this. This is all good things. All this news is stacking up to be very, very bullish. If you're not bullish on crypto right now, then you could just leave. No, I'm just kidding. That was a little much. That was a little much. But just go. No, don't go. Don't go. Stay. I'm bullish on crypto. Could we come down in the meantime? It's possible. But please, do not forget, there are so many different charts like this. Here's a new one that I haven't checked out for you guys on the channel yet, but it all shows the same thing. You have a bear market, you have the accumulation zone, which is arguably this entire stretch as long as you sell the top, right? But you have the accumulation zone, you have one little dip around the halving. We had that dip right here. And then you have sideways action, and then the parabolic bull market begins. We had the accumulation zone, we had the dip, we have the sideways action around the halving, and now we are looking for a sell zone, which could be above 100,000 Bitcoin, and I think it's going to be above $100,000 Bitcoin. I think it could be above $200,000 Bitcoin. A lot of people are talking about the $300,000 Bitcoins, but we're not going to wait around for a $300,000 Bitcoin, are we? We're going to take our 10Xs, we're going to take our 20Xs on our coins, on our meme coins, on our altcoins, like Stacks, like Avalanche, like Solana, all these other coins that we all love so much, whatever it might be. Maybe it's Welsh, maybe it's Popcat, I don't know, whatever you guys want to get. We're waiting for the parabolic leg of the bull market. These are stacking up. The news stories are stacking up. The charts are stacking up. History is repeating. Not exactly. It doesn't always repeat exactly, but it sure does rhyme, don't it? Sure does rhyme. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And here's another interesting thing that could affect the crypto markets. A lot of people know RFK, I think it's official. He dropped out of the race this morning, I believe. And he is speculated to potentially endorse President Trump. That is two of the pro-crypto presidential candidates aligning potentially, but there was a little hiccup in that. Now, apparently, rumor has it that they're trying to get him to admit that Operation Warp Speed was his fault. I don't know if he's going to do that. So maybe he is not going to endorse Trump. Maybe he is. We'll see. There's rumors going. If that happens, I think it could be bullish for crypto, because these are the two pro-crypto politicians at this point in the presidential race. And again, you got to remember, guys, 50% of all the money donated to politics this year was from crypto firms. So crypto's here. Crypto's here. It's ready. Let's refresh this. Crypto never went anywhere. Bitcoin coming to 63. We're moving. We're grooving. We're rocking. We're rolling. Stacks is moving as well. $1.78. I love it. I bought some Stacks this morning. That's why I keep peeking at the Stacks price. But Bitcoin, 63K. We are moving, guys. Could find some resistance maybe around 64. I don't know, though. I don't know. I'm ready for blast off. Are you guys? So let's look at the comment section. How you guys doing? What kind of questions y'all got out there? Paul Bustamante says, dropping rates. Let's go. Let's do it. 360 Odyssey says, what do I miss? You missed it all, 360 Odyssey, my friend. We got 49 viewers right now. Only 19 likes. Guys, come on. You got to smash a like button. You got to smash a like. What are you doing? What are you doing? You just smash a like for me, okay? Smash a like. Anywho, what else is going on? Antonio Santiago, you say to me, hi, what do you think of FFTB, man? FFTB, man. Look, the Cronos memes, little chilled out right now. I still got my Mary. Look, I'm telling you guys, I thought about selling the Mary. I did. I didn't, though. I thought about it, but I didn't. I did not sell the Mary. But I thought about it because I want more stacks and I want some. I like the Welsh too. But I do believe in the Cronos meme coin opportunity. I just need to see the parabolic move in this crypto market. And you know what? I think Mary's going to get listed on crypto.com. There, I said it. I think Mary's going to get listed on crypto.com. I think Mary, the mystery on Cronos, is going to get listed on crypto.com. I think it's going to happen. And so I'm holding on to that coin in hopes of that. And I'm ready for it. And I will be taking some profit if we get that listing. I will be taking some profit, as many people will. But I'll be keeping a moon bag because Crow with Knife had an absolute explosion on that crypto.com exchange listing. And so I'm looking forward to that. We'll see how she shakes out. But what are the questions you guys got today? How's everybody doing? What's going on? How's everybody feeling? I don't have a ton of breaking news for you guys today. The big thing is Fed Chair cutting the rates. This is huge. We looked at the probabilities. Probability is that most likely it's going to be a 0.25% rate cut, not a 0.5%. Though if a 0.5% comes, we could get very, very bullish very, very fast, and it would be a very, very beautiful thing. Very, very beautiful thing. Okay? I've seen a lot of people looking at like this wedge right here. Something kind of like this, I think, is what they were looking at. And if this was the wedge, then we are out of it. We are up and out. So we're up and out of the wedge. Congratulations. You're going to be rich soon. Maybe. I hope. Okay? Nothing we do here is financial advice, guys. I hope you know that by now. But we are entertained by the crypto market. We are here to entertain you. And we are here to hopefully make money together. And I think we've done a great job of that so far. Osiris in the chat says, I'm still holding Mary, Croak, Stuck, and Welsh. My guy. I'm still holding that Welsh, I'll tell you. But I'm holding Mary and Welsh. Those are the two memes I got right now. It's Summer says, could use more likes on the stream. I agree, sir. It's Summers, you know, 41 viewers, 21 likes. It's a little weak. We could do better. It's a double tap. It's a double tap of the screen if you're watching on the mobile, I think. Or just tap the like button once. That'll do too. That'll do too. What else is going on, guys? What do you guys want to talk about? Look, Caspa's coming up. Let's look at Caspa real quick. I'm trying to decide what I want to do for my video later today. But Caspa is coming up, and if we get a break above, 1.7, we're probably going to get a hurry back to 21 cents. So if we go through 17 cents and we're probably blasting to 20 cents, that would be a huge boost, and no surprises there because, again, look at what's going on today. Look at how crypto moves. And the Fear and Greed Index, by the way, is still neutral. Still a buying opportunity. Okay? Crypto moves wildly. In 24 hours, there's a lot of coins that are up 25% today. You're lucky if you get that in the traditional market in a year. And that's just the facts of it, folks. But happy Friday, guys. I am babysitting my little niece today. I'm getting dinner with my grandfather. That's pretty good. C-Hicks wants some good news today. I gave you the good news, brother. I gave you the good news. Now, if RFK does endorse Trump, I think that'd be bullish for the crypto markets. But the good news is this. This can only happen for so long. Okay? This can only happen for so long. And this chart's great. I mean, this tells you that the worst is behind us, really. Worst should be behind us. Could we get another dip? Yeah, we could get another dip. But September would be the time for it to happen. Let's actually look at this right now. August is almost green. August is almost green. 2.88%. August is almost green. That's pretty cool. But I'll tell you this, historically, every green August we had a red September. A lot of red Septembers. Though, if the Fed pivots, the timing could be great, guys. The timing could be great. I'm hopeful. Paul Bustamante says dead people equals discount. I agree. I'm with you. So what else is going on, y'all? How you feeling today? Are you bullish enough? Are you not bullish enough? The internet is a wild place, my friends, let me tell you. Internet is a wild place. I can't even get over what I'm seeing on the Twitter timeline these days. It's absolutely wild. I can't even show my Twitter timeline on stream. It's just, there's the most wild stuff. But anyway, crypto's bullish, y'all. Things are looking good. August is almost green. Bitcoin sitting here, 62.9. Not too bad. Summer says it's a political year, so they are going to do what they can to make markets happy. I think it's going to be green the rest of the year. I hope so. I do agree with you. Election years are green years, usually. Though I feel more of a disconnect than I have ever seen with the politicians in the real world. So that's been kind of strange. A lot of disconnect. Very strange. Tony Mountain says, bullish for September's rate cuts. Yes, me too, Tony Mountain. Me too. And so are the markets. That's why we're pumping. We're pamping. Let's zoom in a little bit on ETH and see what's going on for ETH. ETH could be about to rip. ETH could easily be about to rip. We could see this thing pump 5% up to this. Probably the 200-day moving. No, it's not the 200-day moving average. To the red band here on the 4-hour lease. Not too shabby, though. Let's see the daily candles. That looks primed and ready for a massive explosion. I always like to look at kind of, on the different time frames where these candles can kind of go to kind of... There are resistances at these moving averages, okay? And so there could be a very simple 20% pump coming for ETH potentially soon. And Bitcoin's pumping, y'all. Bufflink says, I'm waiting for the Middle East dip before I turn bullish. What is that? I don't know anything about that. If you guys want to trade this volatility, by the way, you know the drill. I do have free money for you guys pinned in the comments section if you deposit money into Blowfin and you guys sign up for that leverage trading platform. You can also buy spot there. You don't have to leverage trade, but free money when you sign up and deposit some money. So check it out if you haven't done so already, guys. But be careful with the leverage. What's my favorite AI coin? Just one of the big ones, probably. I don't have any, what do they even mean? An AI coin, what does it really mean? It's nothing crazy. I don't know. Probably... I don't even know how these are AI coins, technically. Some of these aren't even AI coins. Akash Network's been pretty trendy. I think that one's pretty AI oriented. I haven't really been into that AI narrative that much. Heard about Casper, but again, I don't know how much of these are super AI. Super AI plays. Injective. Yeah, see, FET. This one was a pretty big one. FET's probably the one. think they changed the name of this, right? It used to be Fetch AI. Now it's Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. This one probably. Artificial Superintelligence. Yeah, I mean, it's summers. Politicians will never really understand what normal people are going through because they're not normal people, unfortunately. And normal people don't really want to do that job, you know. Unfortunately. But the good news is who cares? Let's focus on crypto. Bitcoin's at 63K. We're looking good, guys. We're getting a pamp. We're getting a pamp today. We got 45 folks watching, 23 likes. Do me a favor, crush the like, subscribe to the channel. DCA, HODL, keep making money, guys. Get ready for a parabolic blow off top. It's coming. I believe it. Do you? When's it going to happen? Let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, guys, DCA, HODL. Touch some grass. Happy Friday. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.